Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be giving a quick review of Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax. And before anybody says it, the reason why I always seem to be doing Meguiar's videos at the moment is because I happen to have an abundance of it lying around in my garage. But if any other car valeting companies want to send me some products, I will happily review them. So we'll give this one a quick bash. We're going to do it on the bonnet of the Focus. And it's really straightforward, this stuff to use actually, to be fair. Basically, obviously got to wash the car first and then dry it. You can let it to dry naturally if you want, I made mine. And basically all you're doing is you're just applying it all over the surface, wiping it in with a cloth, letting it dry. It'll go a little bit, give a bit of a haze, but not much, and then just buff it back out again. You don't even, because this stuff's, you're not applying huge amounts of it, the cloth doesn't get that damp, so you can actually use the same cloth to wipe it off as well. So basically what we'll do is give it a quick scoosh all over the surface like that. Take your cloth and you're just wiping it in. Now you can see it kind of leaving swirl marks. Don't worry about that, all that stuff will come out. And you're not using a huge, like I say, you're not using a huge amount of it. So you just leave that for a couple of seconds, change the section of the cloth that you're going to use to a dry part, and then just very quickly wipe it off. It's more of a how-to video than a review, but this stuff, like I say, it's not as good as a proper wax coat, but if you're in between proper car cleans, it'll do the job. So yeah, so you can see the difference between, oh, for God's sake, come on camera. So yeah, so you can see the difference between the bit that's been done already and the bit that hasn't. Like I say, this isn't a product that you should use instead of a proper wax coat, but it does the job for if you're very quickly wanting your car prep for going out or whatever. It's a good substitute, because wax, physically putting on wax, does take quite a long time. So I'll very quickly run over the rest of the bonnet, and I'll show you the end result. So yeah, so here's the end result. Pretty decent shine on the whole paint. Literally took another couple of minutes. And one massive difference between this and the last Oglim product I used, the last Meguiar's product I used, is this stuff smells amazing. It smells like sweets. So yeah, it's pretty decent. Like I say, took 5 minutes to put on, took another 2 minutes to take off. Really good for waxing a car if you're in a hurry. Like I say, but no substitute to a real wax, but not too bad at all. So yeah guys, that's a very quick review of Focus Ultimate Quick Wax by Meguiar's. As with all the videos, if you could subscribe, if you liked the video, if you could subscribe, that'd be awesome. So close to 100 subscribers. So yeah guys, that's it. I'll hopefully be back fairly soon with another review video. Until then, I'll catch you there.